Good AM. Today is April 6, 2024, Saturday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 6, 2024, Saturday. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, April 6, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of April 6, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.